Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to fix this little lamp that goes right here. Um, and it turns on this way. Okay, this cover go on the top. So when you touch it, turn off, then turn on. But the problem is that the charging port broken and it came out. So I'm gonna try to tear down this lamp, and then I'll try to put it back, okay? So let me see. So the first thing you do is remove it from this base right here, okay? And then remove this little part. It goes on the top. Use like a opening tool, like that. And then we're gonna remove these two screws right there. Okay, so I remove the screws, and now I'm gonna remove this two white part, and then we're gonna flip it, and you need to go this like circle, turn this to the left or right, and you will find the screws. You see right there, there is one. So use a Phillips screwdriver, or depends what screws in there, and try to remove it. This little plastic came out too. This one goes inside over there, holding these two screws. Now I'm going to remove this screw here. It has three. Okay, so to find the other one, you need to use a screwdriver and go like trying to find the other screws, but it has like 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I already removed it. So right there. Here are the screws. Okay, so it has 3. And the charging port. Charging port goes right there. Right there is broken. So this one goes right there. Okay, so let me see if I can fix it. I just remove this cable from here. I'm gonna remove this one from the battery, and I'm gonna try to remove the battery. So I removed the battery, but this nut here doesn't come out, so there is no way to have access to the motherboard, because this thing doesn't turn on, turn right or left, nothing doesn't come out. It's like all together. So they made this lamp, so when the charger is gone, then you need to buy a new one, because there is no way to have access. The only way I'm thinking is to cut it here, and then later put a glue. Maybe I'm gonna try. So I cut it a little bit. Maybe later I can close this one, because like I said, there is no way to remove this plastic. This nut doesn't come out, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it. Okay, I have my solder machine here, And I have my super wick, solder silver, and flux. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna apply some flux to and see if I can clean this little pot here. Okay. So now let's see if this is hot. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna grab my super wick. I'm gonna clean here this area where all the pins go. And be careful when you do this because this is gonna be hot. This cable. So just go like this. Clean your solder machine and go. I don't know if you can see it, but we try to clean everything that is here. So make sure it's nice to put back the charging. Everything is okay now. Okay. So now let's clean the charging port. I need some. I'm just gonna apply some flux here. And let's see if I can clean it. Make sure the pins are not touching with each other. So that way you have a clean installation. Okay, so it looks good. Let's see now. So this is supposed to, how it's supposed to go, like that. So, okay, so now I'm gonna try to put some solder this here and on the left and right, and then later I'm gonna do the pins. Okay. Okay, so let's see if I can do it. Make sure your point is clean. And then we're gonna apply some flux again here a little bit. Okay. So now let me see if I can do it. I think I'm gonna go like this. Be careful because it gets hot really fast. So we need to hold it with maybe with my Twizzlers. Looks okay so far. So now I'm gonna try to do the all the connectors here. I think I'm gonna go this way, like that. Okay, so make sure it's clean. Okay, so we're gonna add some flux again, right here. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can do it. This is the most difficult part. Because everything here is so tiny. So okay, I think it looks good so far. Okay, looks good. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so I'm finished, like I said, soldering the charging port. So now I'm gonna put everything together and let's see if it's working. So I'm gonna try to put this back here and let's see if it's working, okay? Okay, I put some silicone here because I used to fix the part that I cut. Later I'm gonna sand it, okay? There is no way to put the screws back without cutting this part, okay? So that's what I did. Later I'm gonna fix it because it has 3 screws. This is the last screw. This one goes first, sorry, like that. And then this little plastic, okay, like that. And then this one goes here. Okay, here is the lamp, so I'm gonna see if it's working. I'm gonna put some glue here, then I'm gonna put the top here, like that. So this is the lamp. Let's check it out, okay? Wish me luck. Okay, it's charging. So that means the charging port is working. So let's turn it on. See? It's working. Okay guys, it's charging and working. So that's the way you have to replace the charging port on a lamp. It's a simple lamp. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, check my other videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.